Hello, 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 hello. This one is for Celine. Oh, so they are giving again presents. That's what she's telling to me. And she said, Grace, I'm opening my presents, but I'm didn't answer because my mind is what's that very tired of what I'm work. Okay, so no, and my throat also is not so good talaga. It's very very dry because it's very hot. Oh, so this one is the presents. Oh, and this one is that one sa. Ayan, oh, okay. Oh, so she is receiving this one. Say thank you girls. Thank you for giving the presents to Celine. Thank you. Habis na hindi kayo magsasawa. Sana all, sana i-share nyo naman din sa amin. Ha ha ha. Sabay pang ganun. So, I check. Me, I didn't get finished my now the weather. It's already night. Oh. It's night already outside. It's night, yeah, exactly, because I think it's 7 o'clock already. And little bit, what's that? Magano pa pala ako, magligpit pa ako ng bed cover ni Sisi. So, ayan yung views. So, now is night. Happy Saturday to all of us. Ayan, oh. Okay, night. Mamaya bago ako siguro matulog, mag-live ako. Hindi ako ngayon nag-live kasi medyo pa ako. Nabusy pa ako sa mga little bit. Mamaya na lang siguro. Mag-live ako kaya bukas. Hindi ngayon, kahit man lang konti lang siguro. Mag-live. Kasi para mas okay. So, ayan yung panahon namin. Weather. Very hot ka very hot. Very hot ka sobi hot, okay? Yala na kasi magano pa ako sa i-fix ko pa yung ibang dapat i-fix. Okay. So ayan, thank you again and bye. More blessings at all to all of us that we are still Thank you again. Thank you. More blessings. God bless us all. Thank you to all of us that you are still helping also in my channel from the beginning and until now. Thank you so much talaga. Mga open-minded, mga good heart that you are still helping in my channel. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you more. Thank you more. Okay. Thank you more. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Thank you for the all that you are helping, and to all some vloggers that you're still already supported and helping in my channel from the beginning and until now. So what I'm telling I always repeating my message to include in my old videos that what I have, because that is the only way that I can vice versa to help with them, that they are also helping to me, and praying that God will be provided everything whatever we need. Thank you, founder of the YouTube. Thank you for the staff, the workers, that you are also giving me a chance to enter of this company, or yun ano ba yan, one community kumbaga pa, or in the social media that I have the beginner. And good luck in my channel. Good luck talaga. And to all again my relatives in my hometown, in both side of my parents, wherever you are, wherever we are, in our individual work and individual places, countries that you are belong. And we have an individual journey of our life while we are living in this earth. And to all that they knows who I am, and to knows may mga kababata, all ang kanto ang kana is too much na to mention one by one at is already generalized for nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries, to the universe, to the all people in this earth that we have not the same time and countries and ano ba yun, language that we can do. So I wish that you have a very very high-tech ang open-minded at saka feelings to understand while you are watching of my videos. Thank you so much. And Brad, keep safe lagi. My nieces, my in-laws, sister-in-laws, may aunties, may uncles, may mga apo, ang tapos ito. All ang kana nga ay naman din si Grace. Si Gats. All ang kanto ang kana nga. That is including already. Okay? And si bye-bye. God bless to my employer, to the all family of Madam and Sir, to Sisi, friends of Sisi also, the friends of Madam and Sir, and that you are still giving me more understanding, more sharing your blessings to me. And thank you so much. Thank you, and good luck and more blessings. And happy Saturday to all of us. God bless us all. Happy Fiesta to all mga Christian countries that they are celebrating this Fiesta also. And mga mga batches of the years and the graduations of the all. Congratulations to my nieces. Thank you with their parents also. Thank you and bye. And to my late brother also. Bye. Umalis ka na dyan.